over there.
Okay. We'll pick them off the list. Marshall's ready. Racer's ready. For racing. Sound of this tone. He's out front. Bob's pushing his button. Erik's right there. Oh, damn it. Erik's getting wrong.
Oh! Dang it, Bob.
Oh, damn it.
This race listens to Eddie Van Halen. Plays his guitar. Andrew, Jeff, Erik, Chris, and Bob. That's your running order. Andrew is on 24.507. Not better than TQ Run at this point in time. Here's the Andrew. Here he is coming on this race. Your leader, 24.503, better than TQ right now. And it's Jeff with a 23.508. Erik with a 23.513. That's the battle for second place right now. Jeff has it, Erik wants it. Jeff getting it wrong after the table. We'll let Erik take over second place. Erik getting it wrong. Jeff taking back over.
Ooh.
Run, Jeff, run. No, you got time.
No, I don't. I know, Bob's right there.
You gotta quit fooling around. I'm catching up with you guys.
Take out Bob, take out Bob, take out Bob.
Third place right now. Got Erik all over him. Remember, racers, if you think you are in your top three, giving out trophies tonight. Top three in your class. Right here's Bob.
Oh, Bob took himself out.
2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Halfway through this one, Andrew, Jeff, Erik, Bob, Chris. Down, 1.5 minutes to go. Andrew still out in the lead, 24.501. Better than TQ Run is he on. Here's Jeff, 24.512.
1, 2, 3. Oh, damn it,
Jeff's
sir.
24 lapper. Go, Jeff. See that purple and white car. Second place. Screamer. Jeff go, Jeff go. Drops it down to 23.501. Next up, 2wd. 1 minute to go on this one. Andrew is still leading from lap 1. Everybody voted his new nickname, Sandbag Bliven.
SBB. Hey, SBB. In the house.
40 seconds.
Hey, we need to have an expert 21.5. Me all by myself.
25 seconds to go.
21.5, then we should run 21.5.
Chris first one down. Bob got caught. Andrew got caught. 24.5 flat. 3 seconds better than TQ. Jeff got a 24.5 11.
Nice job, Jeff. Good run.
Same lap. You didn't pass me.